Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share some old footage with you. Now this was actually filmed for my old YouTube channel and I thought it'd be very interesting to share it today, and that is because this was filmed exactly a year ago from today's date. Now today's date is the 3rd of July 2023 and this was actually filmed on the 3rd of July 2022. Now at the beginning of the video you can hear my partner say goodbye, and that is because she is going to work and it is around about 6:30 in the evening. Now before I put my children to bed I thought it would be quite interesting to set up the camera and unbox some silver pickups that arrived earlier that day and just kind of let them play around with some Britannias and things like that. I thought it would be quite a cool, interesting unboxing. Now it is very hectic, there's a lot going on. So let me know what you think in the comment section. I just thought it'd be fun to share this video today because like I said, it's exactly a year ago since it was filmed. As always, thanks very much for watching. I'm going to let the video play now. Let me know what you think and I will see you in the next video.
Go away. Right, okay, I'm back. What am I doing, Dad?
Doing a video.
I want to do this.
Come and sit there then.
Hey. I'm getting.
Sit there, cross your legs.
Wait.
That's it, yeah, you can do it as well. You can have a little look at them.
No, don't eat it.
Shuffle back then because you're blocking the camera. Look, there you go. There you go, you can both have a look. She can have a look too.
How Bobby eat them. You have a go.
No, these are okay. Look at these.
Oh,
that's your one, is it?
Wait.
That's a cool one.
I have this deep. I have this deep.
Oh, yeah.
That one in here. Hey.
So in today's video I've got some special guests helping me do this unpackaging video. Alright, you're going to help me rip it open then.
I'm putting them on them. I'm just putting them in the mouth.
No, they're clean, it's okay. She can't swallow them, they're way too big, aren't they? Right, so
I didn't die.
let's have a look, shall we? So let me take this out of the way because that will have the address details and stuff on it. And then let's have a look.
Get them out.
Hang on 1 second, let me just do them on the camera. So you can see we have a silver Liberty coin, which is the buffalo and the Indian head. That's my first one of those. I don't know how well this is going to come out because we're trying to multitask today. But you can see that's actually my first one of those. That's actually a silver round. So these are very popular in America for stacking. You can get very close to spot with these. They haven't got any face value, but they are very popular, like I said, in America. So I wanted to get myself one, something that looked very nice. I like how it's been on this presentation. Need to put them back over here like that. Put them over there. That's it. So then you can see in the middle we have a 1991 Silver Eagle. Really nicely packaged again. And then on the top right hand side we have a 2012 Silver Maple. Now these coins are going to be part of my YouTube stack videos. So I've got two separate stacks. I've got the YouTube stack, which I make it so it's easier to get hold of. And I use that for my YouTube videos. Let me just adjust this. Hang on, she's going to play a bit if she wants to. That's it. You're going to stack, why don't you try and stack them up? Try and be a little bit careful with them, just try and stack them up like that. There we go. So yeah, so like I was trying to say, I've got 2 stacks. I've got a stack that I keep that's easier to get hold of, that's for my YouTube videos, and then I have my main stack that is stored in a different location away from my house, which I keep out of the way. So these are going to be for my YouTube stack. So you'll start seeing these 3 coins featured in my YouTube videos when I'm talking about silver. But yeah, I really like that. I think that's really a nice way to present them. And yeah, like I said, these are just for the YouTube stack videos. So I didn't want to break into the tubes to take the coins out, so I thought I'd just buy them again separately. And I went for older years on purpose, just because I think it's nice to have a couple of more historic ones. I do actually prefer the newer silver maples because they've got more going on in the background, more security features. Hello. No, that one.
I want to open them.
Go on then. You want to open them there then?
Show me these.
Do you want to open this one? Do you want to open one of these? There we go. Do you want to open that one? Oh, you're doing a great job there, little man. Perfect. So hold it down here for the camera. Don't take it out of the capsule. Leave it in there for now, because that stops it from scratching, doesn't it? So here's the Liberty one. You can see the buffalo there. You can do it. You're doing a great job. Just rip it. You want to do it here though, so it's in the way of the camera.
I'm going to do it.
Yes, you can. Look, there you go. There we go. You got it?
Get that out.
Good boy. Now hold it down here then for the camera. That's perfect. So here's the American Silver Eagle. I'll showcase them off in a future video when it's a little bit more civilized. So that's those 2. Perfect. There you go. So that's the maple. American Silver Eagle. Can you say that? Say American. Silver. Eagle. And then say silver maple. That's it. And then say Liberty Round. Good boy. So there we go. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you... I'm interested to hear from people that make YouTube videos on silver, to see if you have a separate stack, to see if you showcase your main stack. I know Average Stacker, he has separate coins that he keeps aside for his YouTube videos, and that's kind of where I started getting the idea from. Instead of having to keep pulling coins out of storage to make videos, I saw one of his videos, he mentioned that he keeps separate coins for stacking for YouTube, his YouTube channel, sorry, and then the other ones are obviously secured away somewhere, and I thought that was a good idea, so that's what I decided to do myself. So yeah, so there we go. I'm going to wrap it up because it's all getting a bit hectic, but thanks very much for watching. Hope this video was, thank you very much, hope this video was interesting. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.